Hello student, today we will do exercise 6.1 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. See question number 1. Fill in the blank using the correct word is given in the bracket. All circles are similar. Similar will be here. This. All squares are similar. All triangles are similar. Equilateral. All equilateral will be similar. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and proportional. This here will be equal and here will be proportional. This is give two different example of a pair of similar figures. Similar figure we can take a circle and a square. Circle and a square. A square. Any figure you can take. And non-similar means triangle, one triangle and a square will not be similar. This is one pair is this. State whether the following quadrilateral are similar or not. Not similar because angles are not same. Angles are not same. This is 90 degree and this is more than 90 degree. So here this figure will be not similar. This quadrilateral. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here we will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.